Hello, America. Hello. That sounds bright. That's why I got these. Look like a bug. I think the Demorats are trying to self-destruct themselves or something, because they're pushing this idea that what's her name? Alexandria Cortez. She just got nominated, I guess. I can't remember which state it was, but she's basically a Democratic socialist. I can't even. It's hard to even say socialist because it's so horrible. By the way, it's never worked. It never will work. Look at Venezuela. Look at Venezuela and see how it is. I think Prager has a video on YouTube, so check that out and see how their country is working out there. So, and then you got Tom Perez. He's pushing this idea and saying that she is the future of the Democratic Party. What? Really? I can't even talk about it. I have no words. I have no words for that. Socialism does not work. It's basically giving the government more power, and they have control of the money. Do you want the government to have control of the money and distributing wealth wherever they see fit? And once they start doing that, your freedom is gone, folks. No more. There's no more freedom. So I just want to do this short little video. Hope my phone does this, because I'm running out of memory of this stupid thing. I told you I need to get a new one. But socialism does not work. It's actually the cause of thousands of probably millions of people's death, causes of death. It's got basically comes out of Karl Marx. Look that guy up and his ideas. So ridiculous. But it don't work, guys. Don't go for it. It's I swear. I think they're trying to destroy their own party. Maybe just they don't have any ideas. They have no agenda, nothing to go for, and that's they're grasping, they're reaching. I don't know. But it makes us look better. The people that do actually know what socialism does and what it does to a country. Like I said, look up Venezuela and you'll find out pretty quick what socialism will do in my so this short little video, that's what they're pushing now. Socialism. Say goodbye to your freedom. Bye, freedom. Let's go for socialism. Don't buy it. Do your homework. Socialism will never work. Has never worked. There's not one instance that it worked. So God bless you, America. The day after Independence Day, we're still here. People on the left are going nuts. They're exposing themselves. So don't be part of the crew. I wouldn't. And if I was a Demorat, I'd be really embarrassed right now to be called that part of them. I said, I can't talk. It's been a long day. It was a fun night last night, so I didn't get much of sleep. So anywho, stop watching that mainstream media. Step away from the Demorats, because they're a sinking ship. I'm telling you, they're a sinking ship. They're making fools of themselves, and they're causing chaos and ruckus. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. But there's the flip side, is good, because they are exposing themselves, and the people that actually have educated and pay attention to this stuff, like myself for the last 2 years. I'm just thinking, what the hell? Really? All right. So that's what they're pushing now, guys. Again, socialism. Not good. God bless America. Stay smart. Pay attention. Find a good source. Oh, yes. There's a couple of dudes I want to talk to you or tell you about. David Rubin. He's on YouTube. His conversations with all kinds of people from the left to the right to whatever. Okay. He used to be in the left, by the way, and he figured out what they're going nuts. I can't be a part of this. And basically, they eat their own. They're cannibals. As soon as you stray away from their ideology, they'll tear you apart. So David Rubin, Jordan Peterson is a good one. He has some stuff on as far as history. He wrote a whole book, Maps of Meaning, I believe, which I'm still waiting for to be on audio, Audible, because I hate reading. I'm getting better at I'm getting better at it. I'm enjoying it more and more. The more I read, I'm not a big fan of the reading, so I do the Audible stuff. Anyways, socialism don't work. Demorats, would you stop it?